Hi children, this is Sarath from Lotus High School. Already we learned division of polynomials. Today we are going to learn division algorithm. Division algorithm, that is nothing but division rule. You know very well. For arithmetic, you know the division rule. The same we can apply for polynomials also. Now, one sum 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. This is dividend. This is divisor. This is divisor. So, 3 2s are first you divide. This is also called as a long division method. 3 2s are 6. 1. So, this is the remainder. Remainder. This is the quotient. So, dividend shortcut form is DD, divisor DR, quotient Q, remainder R. Now, what is division algorithm? What is division algorithm? Division algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Quotient plus remainder. Quotient plus remainder. This is division algorithm. So, verify the division algorithm. Verify the division algorithm. What is dividend here? Dividend is equal to 7. Dividend is equal to 7. What is divisor? Divisor is equal to 3. What is quotient? Quotient is equal to 2. What is remainder? Remainder is equal to 1. Remainder is equal to 1. Whether division algorithm will satisfy or not. So whether it is correct or not, we have to check. How to check? Here, LHS is equal to 7. RHS is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 plus 1. Just I am checking. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Here LHS is equal to 7. RHS also 7. RHS is also 7. Therefore, division algorithm is satisfied. So, this is the division algorithm. We checked this division algorithm for this long division. It is for arithmetic. It is for arithmetic. Now we check this division algorithm for polynomials. So here one sum is there. Divide polynomial f of x 2x square plus 7x plus 7 by the polynomial g of x is equal to x plus 2 and verify the division algorithm. Division you know very well. Already we practiced 2 videos I taught divisions. So here this f of x is nothing but dividend. This g of x is nothing but divisor. Now we are going to find quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. After that, after getting these two results, we can check division algorithm. We can check division algorithm. Now we are going for division. First we will go for long division. After that we check division algorithm. You know very well. First of all, these two dividend and divisor should be in standard form. Already it is there in standard form. The power is 2, the power is 1, the power is 0. If the power is 1, the power is 0, no problem. Now, what is the first step? Take the first term of the dividend. The first term of the dividend is 2x square. And what is the first term of the divisor? X. First term of the dividend, first term of the divisor. So is equal to 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 2 by 1. This is nothing but 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Then x square by x. Already we know x square by x is equal to x. X square by x is equal to x. Now this is called as partial quotient. This partial quotient write in quotient part. This is the quotient part. This is nothing but 2x. What is the next step? The next step is this partial quotient into divisor. This partial quotient into divisor. So first of all, you multiply partial quotient into divisor. 2x into x, 2x square plus 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into 2, 4x. 2x into 2, 2x into 2, 4x. 2x into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4x. Now, place this result below the dividend. Place this result below the dividend. What is the dividend? 2x square plus 7x plus 7. 2x square plus 4x. Now, like normal division, you have to go for subtraction. So just what is the sign of 2x square plus? Because of this subtraction, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. Now, 2x square minus 2x square. Okay, now subtraction. 2x square, forget about this sign, and forget about this sign. 2x square minus 2x square will be 0. No need to write. Simply we are using cancellation. So, cancel. 7x minus 4x. 7x minus 4x. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3x. 7x minus 4x is equal to 3x. 3x. Now, bring down 7. Now, the new dividend is 3x plus 7. Whether it is dividend or it is a remainder, you have to check. Yes, it is a dividend. Why? Because the degree of this polynomial is 1. The degree of this polynomial is 1. Both the degrees are equal. That's why this is again a new dividend. Otherwise, the degree is less than the degree of the divisor. We can call it as a remainder. Now, here 3x plus 7 is a new dividend. 7 is a new dividend. Perform the division again. Now, 3x plus 7, the first term of 3x plus 7 is 3x. Again, old process, 3x. The first term of divisor is x. That's why 3x by x is nothing but 3. X and x will be cancelled. Otherwise, you can apply exponential formula. Even then, you will get 3. 3x by 3 is equal to 3. This is the partial quotient. This is nothing but plus 3. Put plus 3 in the quotient part. 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Now, this 3 into this 3 into this 3 into divisor. 3 into x plus 2. Distributive property. 3 into x is equal to 3x plus 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Again, place this new result below the new dividend. So, this is nothing but 3x plus 6. What is the new result? 3x plus 6. Again, subtraction. Again, go for subtraction. Because of this subtraction, actually, the sign for 3x is plus. Because of this subtraction, this plus becomes minus. This plus becomes minus. And this plus becomes minus. This plus becomes minus. 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now it is very, very important. This is called as dividend. This is called as dividend. This is a divisor. Shortcuts I am writing. This is quotient. This is remainder. Quotient, remainder. Normally, here, this is called as f of x. Already we kept names. For dividend, we can use f of x. This is q of x. This is r of x. This is divisor q of x, r of x, f of x. This you can write anything. Normally we are using g of x. G of x. Now division is completed. Now I'll go for division algorithm. Division is completed. I'll go for division algorithm. Whether I have to check division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We are checking division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Normally, if it is in this polynomial case, we given names. This is f of x. F of x. Dividend is equal to f of x. F of x is equal to divisor is equal to g of x. G of x into quotient is equal to q of x. Q of x and remainder is equal to r of x. Remainder is equal to r of x. F of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. dd is equal to dr into q plus r. Now, what is dividend? Dividend is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 7. Divisor is equal to, divisor, what is divisor? X plus 2. Divisor x plus 2. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Quotient into quotient, that is nothing but 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. And divisor, remainder is equal to 1. Remainder is equal to 1. This into is not required. Anyhow, brackets are there. So, there is nothing but divisor into quotient. Now, you take, what is LHS? LHS is equal to 2x square plus, LHS is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 7. Now RHS, what is RHS? RHS is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. Now, we cannot simplify. This is LHS. LHS is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 7 only. If RHS is equal to x plus 2 into 2x plus 3, x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 plus 1. If you simplify this one, you will get 2x square plus 7x plus 7. Then only this division algorithm is verified. Then division algorithm is verified. Now I'll go for that. LHS is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 7. RHS is equal to x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 plus 1. Now, LHS anyhow we cannot simplify. Now I am going to simplify RHS. So if you simplify RHS, definitely you will get LHS. So binomial into binomial. Forget about sometimes plus. Binomial into binomial. You know very well. How to multiply? I explained that. X of 2x plus 3. X of 2x plus 3. X of 2x plus 3. X of 2x plus 3 plus 2 of 2x plus 3 plus 2 of 2x plus 3. 2 of 2x plus 3. What is the first one? X of 2x plus 3. X of 2x plus 3 plus 2 of 2x plus 3. Plus 1 is common. plus 1 is common. Now, x of 2x plus 3, x of 2x plus 3, that is equal to x into 2x, x into 2x, x into 2x, 2x square, x into 2x, 2x square, plus x into 3, plus x into 3, or x into plus 3, 3x, x into plus 3, 3x. Now, plus curly brackets 2 into 2x, 4x, 2 into 2x, 4x, plus or 2 into plus 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 1. Now break the brackets here. 2x square plus 3x, we can break the curly brackets. 2x square plus 3x, here also all are plus, that's why you can break these curly brackets. So 4 plus 4x plus 6 and plus 1. Now like terms, find out the like terms. Only single term 2x square is there, break the bracket 2x square plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x. 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x plus 6 plus 1. Now 2x square plus 7x plus 6 plus 1 is equal to plus 7. Now it is nothing but your dividend. What is the dividend? 2x square plus 7x plus 2x square plus 7x plus 7. Now LHS is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 7. RHS also I got 2x square plus 7x plus 7. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Hence verified. This is the division algorithm is checked for this division. We checked for this division. Division will go for long division method and also verify the division algorithm. Here this is nothing but dividend. Dividend. This is nothing but divisor. Divisor. So if you want, you can give some name. This is f of x. Already we are habituated. This is g of x. Now dividend is nothing but f of x. Divisor is nothing but g of x. Now we are going to find the quotient q of x, remainder r of x. We'll go for long division method. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. Now first of all, you check whether it is in standard form or not, both dividend and divisor. So it is in standard form. The power is 3, the power is 2, the power is 1, the power is 0. So here it is no problem. But coming to here, it is not in standard form. It is not in standard form. The divisor is not in standard form. We have to convert into standard form. What is the standard form? Plus x square minus x plus 1. The power of this variable is 2. The power of this variable is 1. The power of this variable is 0. So it is in standard form. Now we should write rewrite the dividend. What is the dividend? X square plus x square, we can write only x square. X square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. Now we are going for long division method. The first term of the dividend is 2x cubed. The first term of the dividend is 2x cubed. 2x cubed. 2x cubed. And what is the first term of the divisor? X squared. First term of the divisor, x squared. So 2x cubed by x squared. 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 2 by 1 is equal to 2. is equal to 2 x cube by x square e to the power of m by e to the power of n e to the power of m by e to the power of n e to the power of m minus n 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 to 1. That's why x to the power of 1. X to the power of 1, that is nothing but x. That is nothing but x. Now, this is the partial quotient. Write the partial quotient in quotient part. Quotient part. Now, this partial quotient into divisor. This partial quotient into divisor. 2x into divisor x square minus x plus 1. Divisor is a quadratic polynomial. X square minus x plus 1. Now multiply 2x into x square, 2x into x square, 2x into x square, 2x cube, 2x into x square, 2x into x square, 2x into x square. That is nothing but 2 into x to the power of 1 into x square, e to the power of m into e to the power of 1, m plus n, 2x cube, 2x cube. So next one is equal to 2x cube. Now 2x into minus x, 2x into minus x, that is nothing but 2 minus x is nothing but minus 1x, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, x into x is nothing but x square, x into x is nothing but x square, exponential formula, minus 2x square, minus 2x square. Next one, 2x into 1, it is very simple, 2x into 1 plus 2x. This result below the dividend, place this result below the dividend. What is the result? 2x cube minus 2x square. Line up the terms, plus 2x, plus 2x. Now subtraction, you know very well, subtract. Now subtraction, long division method. What is the sign for plus 2x? 2x cube means plus. Now we are going for subtraction. Because of this subtraction, this plus becomes minus. This minus becomes plus. This plus becomes minus. This is very, very important. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus becomes minus because of this minus, because of this subtraction. Now 2x cube minus 2x cube, 2x cube minus, forget about this side, 2x cube minus 2x cube 0, 3x square plus 2x square, 3x square plus 2x square is nothing but 5x square, 5x square. Here the numerical quotient of x is nothing but 1. Numerical quotient of x is 1. So minus 1x minus 2x, minus 1x minus 2x, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3x. Bring down 5. Bring down 5. So very, very important step, cancellation. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5x square, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 3x plus 5. This is the new dividend. Now, in this new dividend, what is the first term? 5x square. 5x square. By what is the first term in the divisor? X square. The first term in the divisor here 5x square. The first term in the divisor x square. So, what is the, after simplification, this is nothing but 5 x square by x square will be cancelled. This is nothing but 5. So this is partial quotient, that is nothing but plus 5. You write here 2x plus 5. Because of this, so actually this 5 into divisor x square minus x plus 1. Again multiplication, is equal to 5 into x square 5x square minus 5 into x 5x next 5 into 1 plus 5 plus 5 into plus 1 plus 5 into x square 5x square 5 into minus x minus 5x 5 into 1 5 into plus 1 plus 5. Now put this result below the new dividend. What is the new dividend? 5x square minus 3x plus 5. Now below the new minus 5x plus 5. Now here again subtraction, long division method. The sign for 5x square is plus. Because of this minus, because of this subtraction, this plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. Now subtraction, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. 5x square minus 5x square will be 0. Plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Both are zeros. Only minus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 minus 3 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 2x. Result is 2x. First of all, whether it is a remainder or a new dividend, we have to check whether it is a remainder or a new dividend. How to check? What is the degree of this polynomial? 2. The degree of this polynomial is 2. What is this degree of this polynomial? 1. So the main thing is the degree of remainder should be less than degree of divisor. Degree of the remainder. What is the degree of the remainder? 2x. What is the degree of the remainder? 2x? 1. The degree of the remainder is 1. The degree of the divisor is 2. 1 is less than 2. So that we can decide this is not a new dividend, this is remainder. So the most important point I said already. Now actually this terminology is very important. Many times I said this is dividend, this is a divisor, this is a quotient, this is anyhow I said remainder. So if you want we can give names. This is f of x, this is f of x, this is a g of x, this is g of x. Next this is a quotient q of x, remainder r of x. This is very important. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. F of x, g of x, q of x, r of x. So by using this terminology, we are going to check the division algorithm. We are going to verify the division algorithm. Verification of division algorithm. Here dividend divided by divisor. We got quotient and remainder. These two are the answers. So now I am going to check the division algorithm, the verification of division algorithm. So dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Substitute those values in the division algorithm. What is the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is nothing but f of x is equal to, it is for polynomials, f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now what is dividend? Dividend is nothing but 2x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 5 is equal to divisor. What is the divisor? X square minus x plus 1, and the quotient into, I am not keeping because brackets, 2x plus 5 plus remainder 2x, Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to, this is dividend is equal to, this is divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is nothing but f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So now I am going to do verification. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I have to take LHS is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus x plus 5. RHS is equal to x square minus x plus 1 into 2x plus 5 plus 2x. Now we go for verification. LHS is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 5. This is LHS. RHS is equal to x square minus x plus 1 into 2x plus 5 multiplication plus 2x. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now anyhow we cannot simplify LHS, now that's why I am going to simplify RHS. So this multiplication is a trinomial by a binomial, trinomial by a into trinomial into binomial, you know very well. Now is equal to, how to multiply, x square of 2x plus 5, x square of 2x plus 5, x square of 2x plus 5, first x square of 2x plus 5 minus this minus this minus will come here, minus x of 2x plus 5, x of 2x plus 5. For this also I am keeping curly brackets, but because minus is there, the very dangerous, x into x. Next plus 1 of plus 1, there is plus, this plus 1 of 2x plus 5, 1 of 2x plus 5. And for this also I am using curly brackets, and close the square bracket, plus 2x. Now multiplication, carefully listen, x square of 2x plus 5 minus x of 2x plus 5 plus 1 of 2x plus 5. Now multiplication, square into x square into 2x, x square into 2x is nothing but 2x cube, x square into 2x is nothing but 2x cube, x square into 2x, that is nothing but 2 into x square into x, that is not x to the power of 1, e to the power of m into e to the power of n, e to the power of m plus n, x to the power of 2 plus 1, x to the power of 2 plus 1 is nothing but x cube, that is nothing but 2x cube. Anyhow I have written. Next one is x square into 5. This is very simple. X square into 5 nothing but 5x square. Just only this curly brackets as usual, minus x into 2x, x into 2x, x into x is nothing but 2x square, x into 5, x into plus 5, 5x, x into 5, 5x. Here, curly brackets, 5x. Next, plus only. Anyhow, 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 5, 5, not required. Directly you can write 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. So curly brackets. And this main bracket I am keeping. Plus 2x as it is equal to, now break the curly brackets. Curly brackets here 2x cube plus 5 square in front of 2x cube plus 5 square, there is no sense plus. As it is you can break 2x cube plus 5x square, and the sign for 2x square, actually the sign for 2x square is plus. The sign for 2x square is plus. Because of this minus, this plus becomes minus 2x square, minus 2x square. Because of this minus, this plus becomes minus 5x, minus 5x. Because of this minus, this plus becomes minus 2x square, minus 5x. So in here, plus is there, 2x plus 5 in front of 2x plus 5, plus is there, as it is you can break. You can write 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 2x is equal to, now simplify in the square brackets. What is the polynomial in the square bracket? So find out any like terms are there. Is there like terms? So these two are like. So first of all I'll simplify. 2x cube only, ek niranjan, only single term. Plus 5x square minus 2x square is nothing but 5 minus 2 plus 3x square, plus 3x square, minus 5x plus 2x, same family, x family, minus 5x plus 2x is nothing but minus 5x plus 2x is nothing but minus 3, minus 3x. That is nothing but 5 minus 2, minus 5 plus 2, 2 minus 5, minus 3 plus 5, plus 5. Break the bracket, plus 5, and anyhow plus 2x is there. I am writing the 2x. Once again, 2x cube plus 3x square, and one more last term I am going to simplify. Here same family members are there. Plus 3x plus 2x, that is nothing but minus 3 plus 2. That is nothing but 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 answer minus 1. That's what minus 1x. Minus 1x. Minus 1x plus 5. If you are not writing minus 1x, minus 2 is no problem. As it is you can write plus. Just minus x. This is nothing but already you see it is a dividend. 2x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 5. It is a dividend. LHS is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 5. RHS also, I got the same after simplification of RHS. 2x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, I verified division algorithm for the question number 2. Very, very important. Okay, children, we discussed about division of a polynomials and division algorithm also. So here, 3 sums are there for homework. All of you do these 3 sums, not only division, check the division algorithm also for the 3 sums and send to your class teacher. Send to your class teacher.